6, 9. 8, 6, 9.
Hello there YouTube. Today I want to talk to you about the water coolings block from Creality's water cooling kit. As you might know, and in the other videos I've showed you that this started leaking, and I tried to fix it, but I failed because one of these screws that it had has this failure. I think these screws are really bad quality. Why? Because I was unscrewing one of them on the side here, as you might see. So the top of the screw came off. My cat wants to say hello. Hello, hello. Can we move on, please? So, as I was saying, water coolings block apparently can be fixed with something called Permatex gasket marker, which is this. I bought this and I didn't open it because I couldn't get inside of this, as I said. So as you might see it, the tip of it is still in there. All the rest came off, but I'm guessing this one is really screwed in there. I don't think there is any way of getting this off, so I'll just throw this away. I just wanted to try it out if fixing it with something like this, a gasket marker, would have fixed it, but I don't think it's gonna happen now. I have already a replacement part for it. It's installed onto my printer. I didn't print with it yet, but I'm guessing it's gonna be fine. I am giving this water cooling kit from Creality another go. If it starts failing again, I'm afraid there is a real big problem with it. I don't know where it's actually leaking. I'm guessing from these parts. You see here, there is a latch here. As you can see, the latch here is, I think, the main cause of it. It's really on there, so well, there is still a screw in there as well. I didn't really try to get this off. I don't see any reason now, because this is broken on the side, that mine was just a failure from the factory, and that the new one that I got isn't gonna fail. Because my only problem with it is, if I'm not home and my printer is printing something and it starts leaking, I have pets at home, I have people at home, I have my home in general. So if it starts leaking, and there is a really big hazard, and that's really like a horror story in my head, that it might start leaking when I'm not home. So I'm just going to start printing again with this printer, with the new block, and see if it's going to start leaking again. I'm going to give it another go to try this stuff on it. It does say ultra copper, so I couldn't see anything inside that contains copper. Apparently the color of the marker is copper color, but I'm not sure if it's containing any pieces of copper in it. If it does, it might not go as well as with the aluminum block like this. You actually have to just put it around here. The other way is just putting, maybe not even sealing these, but I think, yeah, it would work, because this goes up to, well, minus 54 degrees to up to 371 degrees. That is 65 Fahrenheit minus to 700 Fahrenheit up to. So it should work well, but the only thing is I couldn't get inside of it, so I couldn't test it now. Anyways, guys, this was just a video to show you or tell you that as you can see, this broke off. Really strange. I don't know what kind of quality these screws are, but never seen this happen on a screw, that the screw head, I mean the place that you put your screwdriver in, breaks off of your actual screw. So yeah, it didn't really give me any chance. Anyways guys, thank you for watching this video. Hit the thumbs up if you liked the video.